Morning children, open your new Sparkle semester series standard for semester 2nd book. Yesterday I have completed the poem Green Plants and I have asked you to by heart the poem. By heart the poem and to learn the words for 5 items. Yes or no? So now we will come to the exercise. That is, answer the following question in one sentence each. Answer the following question in one sentence each. Now will you answer me? Where do children sow the seeds? Where do children sow the seeds? Yes, who will answer me? Okay, now I will give you the question answers. Yes, children sow the seeds in the soft and rich soil. In the soft and rich soil. Okay, take down the spelling of children. CHILDREN. Children sow. SOW. SOW sow. THE the seeds. SEEDS seeds. In. THE the SOFT soft. SOFT soft. And rich. RICH rich soil. SOIL rich soil. Have you got the first answer number A? That is answer question number A. Answer number A. Where do children sow the seeds? The children sow the seeds. Children sow the seeds in the soft and rich soil. How do children water the plants? How do children water the plants? Yes, how do they water? Who will tell me the answer? Yes. Children water the plants with love and care. With love and care. Children spelling CHILDREN. Children water WATER water. TH the plants 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 with 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 love 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 and and care with love and care. What is the food of the plants? Yes, what is the C question? What is the food of the plants? Food of the plants. Yes. Manure. What is the food of the plants? Manure is the food of the plants. Plants. Manure. 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 IS is TH the FOOD food of the OF of TH the plants. PLANTS plants. What happens to the birds? D question. What happens to the birds here? That is D1, fourth question. That is, what happens to the birds? Birds. The bird, TH the BUD bird blooms. BLOOMS blooms into 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 flowers. FLOWERS. What happens to the birds? The bird blooms into flowers. The bird blooms into flowers. Page number 15 question answers exercise completed. Now turn the page. Page number 16. Turn the page. Page number 16. Page number 16. Okay. You also open your page number and second. First question we have completed. This is question number 2. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The children sow the seeds in the dash and dash soil. Dash is here, no? Dash is there. You have a dash there. You have to write The children sow the seeds in the soft, S-O-F-T, soft, A-N-D, and R-I-C-H, rich soil, rich soil. B1. A we have completed, now B. The children watered the plants with lots of love and care. The children watered the plants with lots of dash and dash is there, no? There, right? Love, L-O-V-E, love, A-N-D, and C-A-R-E, care, and care. C1. The children feed the plants with dash made from dash. Made from dash. The children feed the plants with manure, right? Manure, M-A-N-U-R-E. Manure made from leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S. L-E-A-V-E-S. The flowers spread color, dash is there, in nature, in dash is there, no? Color in nature. The flowers spread color in nature. Color spelling C-O-L-O-U-R, color, I-N, in nature, N-A-T-U-R-E, N-A-T-U-R-E, nature. Okay? Only 4 fill in the blank. Question answers are there, 4 question answers. Fill in the blanks, 4 are there. Fill in the blanks. Now come to the activity language development. Activity language development. Read and learn. What is there here? Activity language development. Read and learn. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. They are. So what are the 7 days in a week? What are they? They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay. Now see the spelling of Sunday. Sun, you know the spelling of sun. S-U-N, sun. Only you put D-A-Y-D. You know the spelling of sun, you know the spelling of day. That is Sunday. S-U-N, sun, D-A-Y-D. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Don't write sun here and day here. It is one word only. Sun spelling, just I have told you. S-U-N and D-A-Y. Mon, M-O-N, mon, D-A-Y, day. Monday. M-O-N, mon, D-A-Y-D. Monday. That is Monday. Sunday, Monday. Tus. Tus spellings here. T-U-E-S. Tus. T-U-E-S. Tus. D-A-Y-D. D-A-Y-D. Wednesday. Wed. See here. In marriage, you will get the marriage card, no? In that wed will there be there, no? W-E-D, wed. Nes, N-E-S, Nes, D-A-Y-D. D-A-Y-D. You open your calendar. See here. This is the calendar, and in this you can see here. See here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Given or no? Given or no? Sunday is a holiday, so they have given in red mark. If there is holiday over here also, they will put red. They will put red mark, like they will write with a red pen if it is a holiday. So Wednesday, how to say? W-E-D spelling, W-E-D, wed. Nes, N-E-S, Nes, D-A-Y-D, Wednesday. Thursday, thurs. You have to spell the spelling of thurs. T-H-U-R-S, thurs. T-H-U-R-S, thurs. D-A-Y-D, Thursday. Fry, F-R-I, fry, D-A-Y-D, Friday, F-R-I, D-A-Y, Friday. Saturday, sat, S-A-T, sat, U-R, D-A-Y-D, Saturday. Sa, S-A. You can do like that also. Sa, S-A, Tur, T-U-R, Tur, D-A-Y-D. This is Saturday. Saturday. There are 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. See here, 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. 7 days in a week. In this way you have to learn by heart. You have to learn by heart. Now, activity languagement first one is over. Now, second fill in the blanks. Second fill in the blank. Dash, dash is the first day of the week. Dash is the first day of the week. First day of the week, that is Sunday. Sunday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the first day of the week. Right here. S-U-N, sun, D-A-Y, day. Dash is the last day of the week. Dash is the last day of the week. That is Saturday. Sat, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Tuesday comes just before dash. Tuesday comes just before Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay. Dash comes just after Saturday. Dash comes just after Saturday. That is Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday comes just after Saturday. After Saturday, Sunday comes. After the summer vacation, your school reopens on. After the summer vacation, your school reopens on. Okay. After the summer vacation, your school reopens on. You have to write it. You celebrate your birthday on. It's for you to write. You have your art class on. Which day you have your art class? You have your hobby class on. You have to write here. You have to write here. After the summer vacation, your school reopens on. Then you celebrate your birthday on. You have your art class on. You have your hobby class on. Which day you have to write here. Have you got it? Now open page number 17. Open page number 17. That is read and learn. Read and learn. There are 12 months in a year. Yes, do you know how many months are there in a year? Anybody in the class who will tell me how many months are there in a year? 12 months are there. 12 months in a year. Months. महीना जिसको बोलते हैं. That is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There are 12 months in a year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a year. They are 12 months here. 10, your fingers 10 and again 2. Again 2, that is 12. 12 months. That is first one is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months. Okay. Now the spelling how to be by hearted here. January. January. January, 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 Then February, February, February. Then March, March, March. April, April, April. May, May. June, June, June. January, January, January. February, February, February. March, March. April, April. May, June. Then the spelling of July, July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October, October. November, November, December, December. 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, now look here. Question 4. Fill in the blanks with the correct month. Fill in the blanks with the correct month. That is A1. I was born in the month of. You must write yours. You must solve this one. B1. My school celebrates Founders Day in the month of. Yes, you must write the. Fill in the blanks with the correct month. It is for you to answer. The hottest month of the year is. Hottest month. You should write here. The coldest month of the year is. You should write here. My school celebrates Sports Day in the month of. Sports Day, when you celebrate, you have to write here. Okay, children. This is the homework will be from page number. What I have given from page number 15 to 17. 15 to 17. This is the homework for you to read and write for 2 times. Days of the week, months of the year. Also, you have to learn by heart the spellings. Okay, children? We will meet in the next video. Thank you.